The war is over. Evil has been crushed. The beast is gone. And now the king reigns. Welcome to episode 6. The millennial reign, when Christ rules the earth. Revelation 20:1-4. And I saw thrones, and they sat upon them, and they lived and reigned with Christ 1,000 years. After the battle of Armageddon, Jesus doesn't return to heaven. He sets up his kingdom on earth, where, in Jerusalem, the same city he once wept over, he now rules with glory. Revelation 20:2. He seized the dragon and bound him for 1,000 years. For 1,000 years, Satan is locked away. No deception, no tempter, no evil influence. The world finally breathes again without darkness. Isaiah 2-4. They will beat their swords into plowshares. Nation shall not lift up sword against nation. No more war. No more weapons. Even animals change. The lion lies down with the lamb. Isaiah 11:6. The earth is restored. People live longer, harvests flourish, and creation heals. 2 Timothy 2:12. If we endure, we will also reign with him, those who followed Christ, from every nation, tribe, and tongue. Now rule and reign with him, not in pride, but in service. Not to gain power, but to reflect his justice. We become what Adam and Eve were always meant to be, righteous. Rulers over a restored earth. Isaiah 65:20. The child shall die at 100 years old. During the millennium, many are born into a peaceful world. They grow up under Christ's rule. They know no war, no famine, no corruption, but they must still choose to follow him. Even in a perfect world, free will still exists. Revelation 20:7-8. When the 1,000 years are over, Satan will be released to deceive the nations. At the end of 1,000 years, Satan is released for one final test. He tempts the nations again, and shockingly many follow him. This shows us something deep. Even in paradise, the human heart must choose. God allows this moment to reveal who truly belongs to him. Revelation 20:9-10. Fire came down from heaven and devoured them, and the devil was thrown into the lake of fire. No swords, no war strategy, just fire from heaven. Instant, total victory. And Satan? Gone. Forever. He joins the beast and false prophet in the lake of fire, where judgment never ends. The millennial reign ends, but God's kingdom continues forever. This is just the beginning of eternity. Revelation 22:3-5. The throne of God and the Lamb will be in the city. They will reign forever and ever. A new heaven and new earth are coming. But first, the great white throne judgment must happen. Are you ready for it? Subscribe now for episode 7. The final hour, the world's last warning before judgment. Like and share this video if you believe Jesus will reign.